Hi, my name is Robin Raquel, and I went from being happily married to a divorced single mother in like less than 6 months, literally. And fast forward to today, I've been asked for my hand in marriage, I've been engaged, and I realized most people don't even know how to date successfully, let alone find the love of their life. I began to ask myself, but what had I done different? From this, I created my Mingle Method, where I walk you step by step through the process. The Mingle Dating Elite Mingle Method. You will meet, inform, new, give up, launch, and elevate. Are you ready to mingle? I think so. Are you tired of single? Do you want to make better choices in your love life? Do you feel lost and ignored in your dating life? Are you ready to get serious? I mean, really ready to get serious and find deeper, more meaningful love connections? Hashtag soulmate. Hashtag single to mingle. Mingle Dating is an online masterclass for single women that you take in your spare time using live and pre-recorded group coaching to boost your love life. Hashtag virtual date night. Are you ready? What we have planned for you, I'm so excited. We will be doing virtual date night assignments, which I send you on. The Mingle Dating Formula I will introduce you to. Lead exercises where we will be eliminating toxic behavior and poor dating habits. Live workshops, masterclass community, live Q&A sessions. I have also comprised my Mingle Dating Elite Journal, which is available for purchase, and you will have access to one-on-one coachings with yours truly. Yup, me. Hashtag fiance. That's right. Now, at this point, I'm sure you have a few questions. Is mingle dating right for me? Yes. If you are ready for change, yes. If you are committed to putting your best foot forward, and yes, if you are ready to do the work. Are you ready to mingle? If so, let's roll. Click the Enroll Now button for access to the exclusive Mingle Dating Elite Masterclass. And I'll see you in class. Are you ready to mingle? I hope so. Right now, we are putting on our Blissful Blossom 2020 promotion where, for keeping your perfect fit live coaching call, I will send you a complimentary bouquet of flowers. So sign up today. You know, I'm starting to feel like you are getting the hang of it, that you are ready for launch, that you are ready to put this into action, that you are ready to make it happen for yourself. Are you ready to make it happen for yourself? I think you're ready to make it happen for yourself. Can't nothing stop you. And we are going to get you ready. Is essential. Where you're going. Get ready to be launched like you've never been launched before. We are getting ready to do this. Are you ready to do this? I'm ready to do this. Let's roll.